Hello. We all agree on a point, that is we need traveling, adventures and exploring to break free from the daily monotonous life we lead and embrace our gigantic beautiful mother nature wholeheartedly and return back with a refreshed mind to continue living our daily lives. So my passion is to go on tours on my motorcycle to explore offbeat locations and listen to the stories of the people who reside there and be a part of that culture. But touring on a motorcycle also comes with a lot of risks. So in order to reduce that to an extent, we need to invest in riding gears. So I will show you some of my riding gears and accessories which I use and will be using in my upcoming rides, which makes my journey quite enjoying and hassle free. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So the most important part of our body and very vulnerable to accidents is our head. So in order to protect the head, I am using a full-faced helmet from MT. It is a very firm and snug fit. The helmet is EC and DOT certified. It comes with a dual visor, which is pin-lock ready, with multiple air vents all around the helmet. This is very comfortable to wear and very highly recommended. This will cost you around 6,250 rupees. So this is the Royal Enfield Explorer V2 riding jacket. I am using this for the past 1.5 years and I am very satisfied with the build and the quality. It has two liners, one is the rain liner and one is the winter liner. The winter liner is detachable, the rain liner is however integrated in the outer shell of the jacket. Thirdly, it has level 1 certified armors on the shoulders and the elbows. Also there is a shock absorbent EVA foam back protector for the back. Also comes with a trouser connecting zipper which helps you to connect with your riding pants, and also multiple pockets which are waterproof. It will cost you around 8,500 rupees, available at any gear shop. So the gloves which I use are the SCOYCO for the street and the city rides, and these are pretty well protected with rubber frames and some sliders, and it will cost you around 800 rupees and is pretty well ventilated. The second pair which I use is the Biking Brotherhood touring gloves. It is completely waterproof and is great suited for cold places also. So as it has an internal Hipora membrane, which is basically waterproof membrane, and has multiple other features like the carbon Kevlar over the knuckles and fine reformed palms and thin insulate thermal paddings to protect you from the cold. It makes it a great product and it will cost you around 2,800 rupees. One of the most important riding gear a rider often ignores is the riding pants. This riding pant was recently launched by RYNOX Gears, who are well known for the value of money and the quality they provide. It's called the Stormproof pants, and this particular color is night grey. It's also available in another color. There is a 3-layer construction to this pant: the external rail liner, the outer shell which is the mesh, and thirdly the internal winter liner, which is very comfortable. And next we come to protection. This is the only pant in the market in this budget which will give you a KNOX level CE certified level 2 armor in the legs and the knee, and in the hips you will get a HD foam protectors. Also there is multiple pockets and visibility is very good in the lateral sides. Also this will cost you around 6,780 rupees, which is pretty value for money for the product they are giving. This is the SCOYCO motorcycle riding knee guard K12. It's available in multiple colors, has adjustable velcro closures for securing grips, foam breathing is there, and it's a bionic armor giving total movement protection system and extreme flexibility. It costs you around 2,000 rupees. So this is the BBG touring boots. At a price point of 6,800 rupees, the BBG touring boots incorporates highest quality of materials and advanced safety features, making it a super touring boot, giving it protection from the wet weather conditions and also making it waterproof. It has hard inner shin molds to protect from crash, inner plastic ankle protection from extra safety, and high modulus TPU shift pads and shin plate to offer great durability. Charging on the go is a very big necessity for me. So I got the Bolt Red Streaks, which is a part of the Bolt experience. It It is a 5V 2.5 ampere charger which has no drain on the bike battery. It is a compact all-weather resistant mobile charger. Also comes with a bike riders app, and it tracks your rides and also helps you connect with the community. Also they give you a Bolt pocket, which is a water resistant pouch to keep your phone safe, and it comes at a price point of 1499 rupees. Long highway patches and city roads can often be boring, so for that we use this BT Intercom headset, which is the BT S3 from Alfawise. I got it from Gearbest at the price point of 2800 rupees, and it's a really value for money intercom. It helps you connect with 3 riders at a time. Also it can connect the BT S2 version of it. I already mounted on it and I'm using it every day literally. The battery power is really good. Great way to use it as a navigation device and also as a music player. The most common luggage bag which I used is this Optimus M from RYNOX, and it's a tank bag with 5 monopole magnets on each side. It has multiple flaps and pockets, provides a rain liner along with it so that it's waterproof, and is very snug fit, and at a price point of 3500 rupees it's a steal. This is a very handy item which I used on every trip since the day I purchased it. This is called the Waist Pack, waterproof from RYNOX. It has multiple compartments, a 3-liter capacity, and it can be used to keep your wallets, GoPros, mobile phones, whichever needs to be protected from the water. And secondly, it has plenty of space and pockets to accompany your small stuffs like debit cards, credit cards, or any particulars. Also to contain a small water bottle, there is a small place for that itself, and the interior is completely waterproof, as you can see, and the quality is very premium, and it is very easy to carry. Costed me around 1350 rupees, and it's a really good deal in that price point. This is the on-the-go accessory which I use. It's called the hydration pack, and I got it from China. This particular item comes with a bladder and the pack combined at a price point of only 900 rupees. It's a very good quality bag, and apart from a 3-liter capacity of water inside it, it can also keep small documents along with it. So stay hydrated on the go and get yourself a Hydra pack. While traveling on a motorcycle, you need luggage. So to overcome that situation, I just recently purchased a Grab Tailbag from RYNOX gears, and it's totally waterproof from inside, has a 60-liter capacity and multiple pockets for attachments. There are lots of 4-point secure anchoring, and the zippers and the quality of the bag is really good. And overall they give you an external rain liner also to cover it. At a price point of 3650 rupees, this bag is a steal, and the grab on the pillion seat is epic. It just sticks to it. The more you buy, it's still not enough. So this is the gripper reflective bungee. It's made of premium grade latex rubber core and polyester sheet. Super durable plastic, and it also ensures to nullify rusting problems, and it has reflective filaments for higher visibility. A pair of this will cost you 490 rupees, available in red and black variant. So that's all for today's video about riding gears and accessories. Hope you enjoyed the video. Support it with a like and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Do not forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. The links of the products mentioned will be given in the description below. Lastly, please remember, as fun and liberating this passion can be, it comes with a lot of risks, and thus this investment is necessary. Nothing is bigger than your life, so invest smartly, as there is someone always worrying about you at home. So ride with proper gears, and helmet is must. Ride hard, ride safe. Peace out.